In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Canva design to vector SVG file in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever needed a crisp, scalable version of your design for print, web, or animation, SVG is the way to go. Unlike a regular image, a vector file stays sharp at any size because it's made of paths and shapes, not pixels. That makes it perfect for logos, icons, and illustrations you might need to resize over and over. Start by opening your design in Canva. Look to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the options that appear, choose Download. This opens the Download panel, where you'll set the format. Change the file type to SVG. This format preserves vector shapes and allows Adobe Illustrator to recognize editable paths and layers wherever possible. If your design needs to sit cleanly on top of different backgrounds, such as a logo on a website header or a watermark, check the box for transparent background. That removes any solid background color and gives you a clean cutout. It's especially helpful for icons, badges, or marks that need to float over photos or colored sections without a box behind them. Next, click Download to save the file to your computer. Your browser will place it in your default Downloads folder unless you choose another location. Illustrator opens SVG files natively, so when you're ready to adjust colors, tweak shapes, or scale the artwork, you can open the SVG in Illustrator and continue editing. Keep in mind that illustrations made with shapes and text in Canva typically come through as vectors, while any photos or raster textures will remain images, even inside an SVG. If you don't have Canva Pro and SVG isn't available, there's a solid alternative. Download your design as a PDF print file. This format is designed to preserve quality and, in many cases, the vector information behind shapes, lines, and text. After downloading, open the PDF in Adobe Illustrator. You'll find that most vector elements are still editable, so you can adjust paths, recolor elements, and refine typography. Some complex effects or filters may appear flattened, and embedded images will remain raster, but core vector artwork generally comes through well. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.